Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all once again to my channel in English. This is about the upcoming 2022 New Year predictions. Right from the first zodiac sign Aries to Pisces, we'll be seeing the predictions for this 2022, a separate videos for each and every zodiac sign. Unlike the previous years, let us hope this 2022 brings you all good fortune, prosperity, happiness, everything. I wish you all a very happy 2022 ahead. Now we will see the planetary positions during the beginning of the 2022 as well as the end of 2022. If you are new to this channel, keep the channel subscribed so that you can get my updates instantly. Also share my videos to your friends and groups. This year 2022, we will be seeing two major transit. One is Rahu Ketu, which is on 12th of April 2022, where Rahu moves from Taurus to Aries. As you all know, Rahu Ketu moves in a backward direction, that is anti-clockwise. So, from 12th onwards till the end of the year, Rahu will be in the Aries, that is the first zodiac sign. So if you consider the 12 months of 2022, the major period of Rahu is based on Aries rather than from Taurus. So in Taurus we will be having the effect of Rahu just for 3 months. Also there will be Jupiter transit. We have already seen about the Jupiter transit recently on November 20th. Now again Jupiter moves from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. And stays there for long till this year. So these two major transit which will definitely have a major impact. So Jupiter also in a major portion it will be there on the Pisces, and in Aquarius it will be just for 3 months and 12 days like Rahu Ketu. Considering the effect of Rahu on Taurus and Ketu on Scorpio, again considering the Jupiter's position at the Aquarius, which is very short time of 3 months and 12 days, and the next transit where Rahu moves to Taurus to Aries and be there for almost 8 months, and Ketu moves from Scorpio to Libra and it will be there for almost the similar 8 months. Jupiter again moves to Pisces and be there for 8 months. So considering all these effects, we will be seeing the predictions for each and every zodiac sign. Now, on the 1st of January 2022, if you see the planetary position, Moon is there on the Jyeshtha star of Mercury. So you can see Ketu along with Moon and Mars on Scorpio. On Sagittarius you can see Sun along with Venus, and at Capricorn Saturn as a ruler along with Mercury, and Jupiter is there at the Aquarius and Rahu is there at Taurus. This is the position of the planets during the year 1st of January 2022. And you see on 31st of December 2022, the position, as you see, Jupiter moves from Aquarius to Pisces, and you can see Moon is along with Rahu at Aries, Mars is there at Taurus, and Ketu is there at Libra. And in Sagittarius you can see Sun and Mercury, and in Capricorn Venus is there along with Saturn. So during that period it is Ashwini star, that is star of Ketu. So this is a position at the end of the year. On the beginning of the year, where Moon is seated at the Mercury star and Mercury is along with Saturn, and Saturn being a ruler there, and Saturn is associated with the Mercury, a standalone planet. It gives positive effects to the Saturn. So it gives Saturn a much powerful positive energy. So you can see this year starts on a very positive note. Same way, the end of the year, Venus makes Saturn more positive. So the effects we can see from Saturn during the beginning and the end of the year, Saturn becomes very calm and it is more functionally positive. We can see a lot of changes during this year. Good things can happen. Many job opportunities, and Saturn being the ruler at the 10th house and with a very positive note. Rahu being functionally strong at Aries, which is the house of Mars. This year we can expect a lot of changes in the land reforms. Many land reforms will get introduced and a lot of land related problems may creep up, especially due to the landsliding problem, earthquakes. Major natural calamities are based on the land. The land price might increase, so we can expect a slight inclination in the price of land, and there are many regulations also. You can see on Pisces, Jupiter is there, so there are opportunity from foreign countries, and our country can get good revenue out of the trade. As Saturn aspects the Jupiter at Pisces, in certain places there may be a symptom of war. So you can see there may be some disturbances between certain countries which may lead to a small civil war or somewhere. Jupiter aspecting 4th, 6th and 8th houses as per the Kalapurusha Tattva. So the major places which becomes highly strong, we can expect a good investments return during this period. Share market may rise up. There will be good amount of inflow of money. Foreign investments might increase, and it aspects the 6th house. Our country can grow better, win out of certain challenges and lead in certain places. Enmities will get decreased during this time. Lot of foreign investments can happen during this time. Lot of good things can also happen. Many job opportunities help the people unemployed to get employment. There are good employment opportunities. Good regulations in the agriculture side. So some of the positive note which we can expect in 2022. Now let us see for each and every zodiac sign the impact of the 2022 based on the planets. Aquarius, the 11th zodiac sign. For Aquarius, this 2022 seems to be a good period for them. As initial 3 months, Jupiter will be there in the zodiac itself, and from April onwards it moves to the 2nd house and becomes a ruler there. Jupiter is a planet for the 11th house as well as the 2nd house. Is being very strong in the 2nd house means they'll have good communication power this particular year. Already for Aquarius, they are started the 7.5 period of Saturn. So far Saturn being controlled by Jupiter, and now Saturn becomes highly powerful at the 12th house. So they may be having some troubles in terms of sleepless nights. They will be spending some sleepless nights. They will have some stress. They may be having some financial issues, some expenses. So these are some of the critical points as Saturn is strong at the 12th house. But at the same time, 2nd and 3rd house seems to be highly positive, as in 2nd house Jupiter being a ruler, and in Rahu from April onwards it comes to the 3rd house. So it seems to be a really profitable place for Aquarius. Who are working with communication as their base, like professors, lecturers, teachers, lawyers, and those who are doing upanyasakas, and that is like spiritual preachings. They will have very good time. At the 2nd house, Jupiter itself is very much strong, and Rahu at the 3rd house seems to be highly favorable for them. Lot of support from their brothers and sisters. Some of them may get the work done by the others. Their hard work can fetch them good positive results. Some of them can do better in the telecommunication industry. Some of them can work in cargo industries, logistic industries. Those who are associated with that particular business, they can do well during this period. Some of them can enhance their mobiles. They can purchase the high-tech mobiles, and they can work in the mobile applications, and they can do a lot of improvements in that particular area. And Jupiter aspecting the 6th house, as well as Saturn is also parallelly aspecting the 6th house. So they can win out of their enemies. So they can get a lot of good things happening during this particular year. Those who want to get loan from banks, this is the right time they can approach the bank and they can get the loan sanctioned. If they have borrowed money from any of the friends or relatives or other people, they can able to repay the pending amount in time this particular year. Again, Jupiter aspecting the 8th house, it seems to be highly lucky for them. So some of them can visit foreign countries, some of them get money from the foreign investments, some of them can get foreign currencies during this period. Those who are working in social media, they can earn a lot, like in YouTube or Facebook, like that. So they get paid by the other countries, dollars or other currencies. So this seems to be highly encouraging for them. Those who are interested to work in foreign countries, they can apply and get a suitable positions at foreign countries. Those who want to study in foreign countries, they can apply and go for foreign studies. So 8th house seems to be highly positive for them. Jupiter aspecting the 10th house. So there are a lot of good improvements in the workplace. Those who are working in a company, they can get promoted, they can get elevations to different levels, they can become a senior person, they can get good increments, they can get good salary, they can even travel abroad for project work. Some of them can get opportunities in different countries, some of them can get promotions to different places. So a lot of good things can happen in workplace. Those who are not employed and who are seeking for a good job opportunities, this particular period there is a right time for them. They can apply into the suitable job and they can get their dream job and they can be well placed this year. So a lot of good things can happen during this particular year. The 11th house, where the Jupiter is owner of the 11th house, is very strong in the 2nd house. So there are a lot of good positive things can happen. Some of them can get good income during this period. It can be a salary. Even if they are running a business, they can get good volume of business. They can increase the productivity. They can increase the profit margin. Some of them can invest in share market as well as other places, and they can find a reasonable profit buying, selling gold and silver and other ornaments. Some of them can invest money in the commodity markets also, and they can able to get some good profits during this particular year. The 7th house seems to be really good, and there will be a good chance for those who are not married yet. They can get good alliances and they can get settled down. Those who are doing the partnership business this particular year, they can get good business, improve their business in different countries. They can develop their business by taking loans, and they can able to repay the loan back. This 2022 seems to be really good for the people who are doing business also, especially those who are associated with the government related projects, those who are doing communication as a base in their business, like who are in telemarketing, who are doing mobile phone services, mobile phone manufacturing, and those who are doing logistics industries, those who are doing business in courier, cargo and logistics companies. This particular year they can able to get good turnaround. They can able to do lot of good things this particular year. The business, the share value will increase, and their volume, the business volume will increase, and then the net profit will also increase. So it seems to be highly favorable for them. 9th house being partially affected, as Ketu is associated with 9th house and even Saturn is aspecting the 9th house. So there may be conflicts with the father and father side family. Some of them may not get good support from the father. Some of the case pending in the court, the verdict may not be in their favor. There may be good support from the mother side family, and health of the mother will get improved during this particular year, and the children may listen to them. Children will study well during this particular year. Those who are waiting for childbirth for long, they can able to get a good solution during this particular year. Some of them may use the advanced technology to get the proper solution for all these things. In terms of expenses, some of them need to spend a lot for marriages. Some of them need to spend a lot for constructing a house or doing some positive things. First 3 months there may be some health related issues for which they need to spend a lot for that also. You can see the position of planets. For Aquarius, the 12th house being affected by Saturn being a ruler there. Also 9th house is being partially affected, as Ketu is associated in that particular house, and Saturn is also aspecting that house. For Aquarius, they are already started the 7.5 period, so they may be facing some problems of the Saturn 7.5 period, like they may face the knee problem, leg problems, unable to walk, bone related problems they may face during this particular year. But if you see, The second house, third house, sixth house, eighth house, 10th and 11th houses. These houses are seem to be highly positive for them. If once the second house is really good, they can win out of their communications. They can able to speak well. They can establish their own house. So the second house indicates lot of wealth during this particular year. So they can acquire lot of wealth during this time, and their communication power will improve. Those who are in the communication field, who are working with communication as a base, they can succeed well during this particular year. Third house being very strong, so they can get good support from their brothers and sisters. They can do a lot of hard work and succeed in their life. The sixth house is really strong, so they can win out of their enemies, they can win out of their diseases, they can repay their loan, and the eighth house is also equally strong. They can get foreign currencies, they can travel foreign countries, a lot of things can happen. As the 10th and 11th houses are very strong, they can find the workplace being more suitable. Those who are not employed, seeking for a good job opportunities, they can get a dream job during this particular year, and lot of people can get promotions, can get good incentives and increments, and the profit seems to be highly favorable for them. If you see the zodiac, 4th house, 5th house and the 7th house are really on an average side. So good health and lot of support from the mother side family. Investments can yield them lot of good results. They can able to buy house, they can able to buy land, purchase vehicles, all positive things can happen. 5th house is very strong. Good support from the children, and children will study well during this particular year. 7th house is also strong. Chances of the separated family members can get united. Those who are not get a marriage alliance this particular year and can settle down in their life. Business will improve. Lot of good relationship with their friends, neighbors. So a lot of positivity can happen. So considering all the positions of planets for Aquarius, this 2022 can fetch them good results. We can say up to 90% positive results.